Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking jollof rice. Yes, this is another form of method of cooking jollof rice. We start by frying our sauce. Yes, I call it reserve sauce. We have the pepper, we have the onions, we have the bell pepper, we have curry, thyme, pepper, nutmeg, garlic, ginger. Yes, you fry it together, then after that we blend it. Please guys, kindly comment on my page and subscribe. Your comment, your subscription keep me going. So our reserve service is done, so I'm blending them together. So let's start by cooking. This is vegetable oil. I had a bit of onions and bay leaf, so I'm adding my tomato paste. Yes, tomato paste, just to reduce the tomato paste has this smells, so once you fry it with bay leaf and onions, it reduces the smells. Yeah, so we had our reserve sauce, our rice, then we cover it, add salt to taste. Yes, before you know it, our jollof rice is ready. Guys, kindly comment on my page, like and subscribe. I love you. Hold on to my next video. Bye.